This is Merriam Webster Ghost, and we're talking about the song KantApple, an expansive sound experience. And again, this song is another song that we're going back into the hurt and pain of a broken relationship. And Josephine is talking about how you can't take like the wreckage of August and put it back on the trees. And so the wreckage of August is this kind of romance that Josephine had and fell apart. And it's like you can't put those dead leaves back on the tree. And she's talking about that this person didn't really give anything a damn about her, and we left her kind of dejected. And normally Josephine's very carefree, and she's a dominatrix, and she's very assertive, and she doesn't really care. But in this situation, this person really affected them, and it affected the whole idea, like with a he, she, me, we, is that Josephine represents multiple personalities that are inside of me as an artist. And she represents my feelings and how I can express them in different ways. And what's interesting about this song is it a continued exploration of the ability of the Moog grandmother to sync with the Moog drummer from another mother and create very interesting drum beats that you can actually use the pitch and velocity out of the grandmother and the advanced clock to create variability in the drum beat. So it feels like there's like a real drummer playing. And it's not exactly rhythm perfect, but I really like the effect, and I've been playing with it a lot. And on top of that, we used our Juno GI, our trusty keytar that we play on the keyboard, 61 key keyboard. And we used the digital delay off of our MX1 performance mixer. And we did a lot of interesting controlled voltage manipulation on the grandmother to create also a bass line that's running through the sequencer on a random mode. And we're using all the oscillators. We're using the LFO. We also we're playing with the Arturia Mini Brute 2S and playing with that in the background. But we think this song has a lot of power. We created a YouTube video for it, so check it out. If you're an artist and you want to, link up with us and work on a project, let us know. Send us a voice memo on Anchor or contact us on our Facebook. We do charge a fee for music production. If you want to work with us, we have analog synths that we have to maintain. So if you like the sound that we have and you want to bring, real hardware synths to your workflow, give us a contact on our Facebook at Phantom Electric Ghost. Again, that's at Phantom Electric Ghost on Facebook. Leave a voice memo on Anchor with your DM information, and we can talk about working together. Everything would be virtual. We do everything virtual. They're sending files through like WeTransfer and Google Drive and things like that. We also can do conference calls via Skype and via Facebook, and even through Anchor FM, we can have sessions that we don't publish, so we can talk about stuff. So, yeah, if you're interested and you like the sound, we're going into next year really wondering what we're going to do with the next synth. We need to get we need to get a replacement for our polysynth, the Roland Juno GI. We've had it since 2008. We've been using it a lot, but there's nothing wrong with it. But we do want to move toward a workstation more like a Phantom. We really like the Phantom. We tried one out, the $4,000 88 key version, and we think that would be the perfect new main flagship for us, and for also working with other people. Since we don't have a DAW, we do have our Zoom 24 from R24, which allows us to record and create clips and stems. But this would give us the ability to communicate with people through MIDI controls and other things, and give back a similar type of production that a lot of people have. And we like the hardware aspect of it. So we'll talk to you later. If you like this episode, let us know. Leave a voice memo, comment on the song, and we'll talk to you later.
I guess you didn't care about it. Gave me a damn thing. I guess you didn't really dream about it. You're so carefree. give a damn about us. They just wanna be free. I think you're nothing but a something. You can't take the autumn wreckage, put it back up on the tree. I'm not your Adam, darling, and you're not my Eve. Can't do anything about it, but take your lead. Can't do anything about it, oh, you got to be free. No, you don't remember anything about you or me. You left me like the old dragon. Can't get it back on the tree. Can't come back to me. Got autumn wreckage. Can't get it back up on the tree. And what you were, darling, and nothing to me. Just think this rolling round. Anything you say. Just think this crawling around. Trying to get back to that dream. You can't take that autumn wreckage. Put it back up on the tree. You were my Adam, darling, and I'm not your Eve. Love is easily drifting into deeply. You can't do nothing about that mortgage wreckage. Can't put it back up on the tree. Oh, what was you with me? And nothing but a false dream. And not very clean. Very much obscene. Down in that scene. Much like those autumn leaves. You can't put them back on the tree. What was it you were me? And nothing but a soul thief. What was it to me? You were nothing but a soul thief. Can't take all that autumn wreckage. Can't put it back on the tree. I wasn't your Eve, darling. You were an Adam to me. Can't take all that autumn wreckage. Can't put it back on the tree. Are you just a snake, darling? What were you to me? Nothing but a soul thief. You easily took your leave. Left Josephine out in her knees. But you know that's that other me. Don't leave that Josephine down her knees. No, that's just the other me. And this is just Anomie. And what fever told you you would be. Oh, this is just Anomie. And what fever said we could be. And this is just Anomie. What fever said we would be. This is just Anomie. What fever said we would be. Disconnected from society. And what fever said so plain. Take a walk in a forest, darling. Now all wreckage from a tree. You can't put back up the list. And God already took their list. I already took their leave. And what they were said we would be disconnected from society. What they were said we would be disconnected from society. That's Anomie. That's Anomie. Enemy of how it should be. I feel fine like the leaves. I feel fine like the leaves. If a tree falls, can you hear, can you see? If a tree falls, boy, can you hear or see? If a tree falls in the forest, do you hear or see? If a tree falls in the forest, do you hear or see? What is that of me? If a tree falls in the forest, do you hear or see? What is there the other me? If the tree falls in the forest, then I heard me. Is there the other could be a doppelganger dream? Doppelganger's me. Famous names Anomie. Just what he said it would be. A doppelganger dream. That's the other me. Yeah, people said that's what we would be. A doppelganger dream. Yeah, and that's the other me. I'm falling like the leaves. Not going back to the tree. Not going back up on the tree. And that's the other me. Yeah, and that's the other me. Baby said that's what we be. I'm not going back up on the tree. That's Anomie. That's Anomie. That's the other me. That's Josephine. And I'm just a fiend. And that's the other me. Baby said just what we be. That's the other me.